This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rachel Warren. Contemporary new build in the heart of SoKno has a great floor plan with natural light throughout. The main level has open living area, stylish LVP flooring throughout, powder bath and deck off the kitchen/mudroom with mature trees behind. Beautiful quartz tops, stainless steel Samsung appliances, pantry cabinetry and island storage round out the kitchen. Upstairs offers 3 bedrooms, laundry and a TL full bathroom. Primary suite has beautiful tiled shower/tub ensuite. With thoughtful details like the fresh air ventilation system, high-efficiency zoned conditioning units, industry-leading dehumidifier system and encapsulated crawlspace, you can feel confident in your investment. Wired for cable and internet. Quick easy access to downtown, bike trails, eateries and UT. Book now for showings starting Tuesday. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Warren at 865-687-1111.